Aloha, my name is Kilty Inafuku, and I am one of the lead faculty for Hawaii Yoga Institute yoga teacher training programs. I've had the privilege of working with Sharon Burch when she was the executive director of the organization, and I really can't speak highly enough of her. Can't recommend her enough. Sharon has an incredible ability to listen to everyone's concerns, to really speak on behalf of the benefit of everyone. She has really such a grounded presence about her that really allows me to feel comfortable to speak my own concerns and my needs and wants. I really can't recommend her enough as a guide, a coach, a mentor. She really has an incredible ability to ask probing questions in a non-invasive way, such that I really can hear my own thoughts. She's an incredible sounding board and has really fostered the leadership skills within myself that I hope to be able to offer others. So thank you so much, Sharon, and have a beautiful day. Thanks for listening.